guys, welcome back. Today we're installing the Kemimoto soft lowers on the Road Glide Standard. Now these are for the standard engine guards. They do make them for the chopped engine guards if you have a special, or I think the STs have the chopped guards as well. Not totally sure, but they make both versions now. This video is not sponsored. I paid for them myself. They were 32 bucks off of Amazon, so not bad for something to try them out. I was not sure whether or not I was going to want soft lowers because I really don't like the look of them. But if it's something that's going to extend my riding season by letting me come out in the colder weather, because a couple of weeks ago I was out riding, I think it was like low 40s, and my feet were chilly by the time I got home. So these should block out the wind enough to maybe just keep you a little bit, your feet just a little bit warmer. And we'll see how that goes. We're going to do a test ride. That'll come later. But we'll real quick do the install. It's super easy. It shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes. And, I mean, they don't give you any instructions anyway, so it's kind of self-explanatory. And we'll see how that goes. So let's get to the install. And after that, we'll go out and we'll take them for a ride, and I'll let you know what I think. See ya! So here we got them out, laid out on the table before we even install them. What you'll notice is you got a couple of zippers here. That is to enable you to get them past your highway pegs. We've got an R and an L. So, I mean, they really had motorcycle riders in mind when they came up with this by letting you know which side goes on which, because I honestly don't think I would have been able to figure it out. Yes, I'm being a smartass. But let's get them installed. This is silica gel. Do not eat it. So here we go. We got the right one. I'm going to fold down my old highway peg, unzip them to make them go a little bit easier. Go, through the hole here a little bit easier. Slide this into position where we want it. Okay, so once we got them on here, it might be a little bit difficult to see this, but we're going to wrap this thing around the frame. Now, we've got the clutch cable right here. We don't want to smash it. I don't want to smash any other kind of lines. And you can adjust it. So we're just going to put that right in there. This runs kind of close to that head pipe. So I guess we're going to find out by the end of the winter if this stuff melts out and we have to get another set for next winter. So there we go. They're installed there. And let me show you some of the other little features here. So on the back side, this is just the right side here. We do have a pocket. It's pretty deep. I mean, you could stick your wallet in there, or I don't know, whatever you want. And the zipper appears to be weather resistant. I'm not going to say that it's weatherproof because I don't know. You can also take a look here, and we see we got the highway peg. It's still usable, and we're just zipped up on either side. I might see about getting these a little bit tighter. For the highway peg, the way the bracket is for the highway peg, I don't think I'm going to be able to zip up too much. And I'm not taking my highway pegs off just for soft lowers. So that's the look from the back side. Honestly, don't really know what the carabiner is for. I don't know, hang a set of keys from it, maybe something. We'll see. Let me give you a look on the from the other side. So there you go. There's the left side is installed here. You can get a look there. Yeah, and they got the reflective piping on there and everything like that. All right. There's both of them installed. Sorry for the shaky cam. Hopefully it's not too shaky for you. But anyway, they look pretty good. Install's complete, quick and easy, just like I said. We're gonna go out there, hit the road, and see what these things are all about. Here we are on the test ride for the Chemimoto soft lowers on the old Road Glide. I've been out riding for, probably about an hour and a half or so. We started out, the temps were about 52, 53. We're up to we're showing 58 right now, which with or without soft lowers, that's a good temp for go for a ride. So let me tell you, what do I think so far? That this guy is an a-hole. Why do people feel it necessary to just pull out in front of people? Okay, yeah, I'm getting off on a tangent here. All right, well, my feet feel pretty good. I'm not freezing. I definitely can feel a difference in my lower legs more than anything. You know, as they sit right here, you know, pretty much up against the engine, they definitely feel like they're picking up some more heat. They're warm. I don't know if you saw the flag at the beginning of when I first turned on the recording here on the ride, but it's a bit breezy, not too bad. I don't feel like I'm getting moved around any more than I would be on a regular basis. I mean, this is a pretty big, heavy bike. It's pretty well planted, even on some fairly windy days. So I don't think I don't think having these soft lowers on here have changed anything as far as, you know, getting moved around or not. So really, I think we're gonna have to get out there and do some riding, some colder weather, because really this is nothing. But you know what, I do feel a little bit warmer in my lower legs. Not noticing anything is adverse from these things. Overall, 32 bucks I think I paid. I think I said that, $32. Not a bad investment. That's it. We'll talk about these things in another video at some point. And why am I going to wait for an arrow when there's nobody coming? That would be just dumb. See you on the next one, guys.